Alright, CJ, I got the firewood you asked for. It's like 32 degrees outside, so I don't know why you want to make a fire.
Wait, hold on. That's all the firewood you got?
It's summer. What do I need firewood for?
You at least have a lighter?
This is your idea.
Alright, I got an idea. I got some fire for this.
CJ, how are you going to light a fire with shoes?
Watch, look, and listen, young Padawan.
Wait, how did you do that? Woo! Bro, that's fire!
Woo! I told you, they're flames, man.
Oh, man.
When you got the flints, you always got fire on you.
There's a bee! So we have another unboxing. First off, I just came back from the Nike outlet. I picked up the Bob Marley 270s. I don't know what it is, but Travis Scott got me into the whole 270 look. I know that these are not the Cactus Jacks or the ENGs, but to be honest with you guys, this is a fire colorway. I only picked this up for $90. Okay, actually, I'm not even going to lie. I don't know what this is, and I don't know what this is. I might know what this is, but I have no idea. Alright, so which one should we do first? Let's do the big box first. I actually straight up don't know what this is. Is this even for me? What is this? Seriously? Oh, CJ's gonna be so happy. Woo! Alright guys, so I think, yep, that's what it is. CJ's flints are here, man. Woo! CJ, bro. Yo guys, do you think I should prank him and put a different pair of shoes in here? Maybe I will prank CJ. Maybe I'll put like an old pair of shoes in here or something like that. But apparently he's gonna meet up with me again today and we're gonna just film a little intro for this video, so we'll see about that. Next, let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. Alright man, so we got another pair of the Jordan 1 mids. These are so fire. Guys, I have an idea. I'm gonna call CJ right now. I'm gonna be like, yo, I have something for you. If he doesn't answer, I'm gonna prank him. Oh, CJ, it looks like you're getting pranked, bro. Please be the Flints. Please be the Flints, man. Wait. Wait. I think there. Yo, you guys see the red jump, man. Gray box. What size is this? Ooh, this is my size. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, somebody help me. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back again from Flight for Hype. If you guys are new to this channel, if you like to follow the sneaker culture, you like fire on feet, you like to be entertained, or you like to get up to date with the sneakers releasing every single month, then consider hitting that subscribe button because guys, you almost made me choke on the subscribe button, man. Then this might be the channel for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this. I know I'm not like the best dressed right now. It's so hot outside. I just went for a bike ride and it's been a long time. I literally have not touched a bike in like 3 years. So there's that. Boom. We've got the Jordan 13 Flints, man. These are so nice. Okay, let's get into the details then. So first things first, the quality on this pair is absolutely amazing. It feels really nice. It's nice and buttery. Oh, it smells really good. My favorite part, of course, is the Panther Paw outsole. I love the colors on them. You got the gray, you got the white, you got the black. You got the holographic emblem with the Jumpman on it. You got this nice gray suede. Feels really nice. Guys, just letting you know, this is not nubuck, this is suede. And this is some buttery suede. Like, this is super buttery, man. I could put this stuff on my toast if I want to. Next, you have this nice tumbled leather. It's like a medium grade, you know what I mean? Like, it's in between soft and stiff. Next over here, you do see this type of fabric material, which of course is navy blue. The sock liner, as you can see, navy blue. And of course, you have that UNC Jumpman on the insole as well. You would see Jumpman on the tongue, and of course you got the white tumbled leather tongue. Comes with white laces, so it doesn't come with any other laces but that. Next you have the hologram right over here. Definitely gotta keep the plastic on it. Don't want it to get scratched at all. And of course on the heel here, you have that nice buttery suede, man. Last but not least, you see the Jordan right over here. Such a nice colorway, and of course highly anticipated due to the fact that it's been 10 years since these retroed, and honestly they did an amazing job on it. Alright guys, looks like we're gonna prank CJ as soon as he gets here, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so CJ just called me. I didn't get it on camera because it was just like all of a sudden, but he did just call me and he was like, bro, are you sure my Flints are there? And I'm like, I think so. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna package this right up. He's like, yo bro, don't tell me they're there if they're not there. I'm like, alright bro, I'm sorry. Alright, so what should we put in here? Let's just put the mids back in the box. And then, yeah, let's do it. Let's do this. There you go. Excuse me, sir.
You asshole.
Huh?
Your pops came to the door. He's like, can I help you? I'm like, yeah, I'm here to see Jordan.
Yo, that fit is fire, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, bro. I had to try on my pants.
CJ, you gotta dress like this, bro. What the hell?
Those Flints are crazy.
Yeah, but your outfit's better, bro. What the? Bro, that outfit is fire.
Hey, since we started the YouTube channel, you know, I'm switching up things a little bit. You know what I mean?
Bro,
I love the pants, though.
Those pants, yo,
Pants are crazy.
That's a good fit.
These pants are crazy.
Hopefully he falls for this.
They're not shoes.
They have to be.
They're not shoes.
Hold on. Let's sit there, if you don't mind.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy CJ from Flight for a Hype. I am back here at my boy JX Sim's crib. He called me today. He's like, bro, I got a box. Let's do an unboxing. I'm like, okay, I'm down. Let's get it. So we're gonna do a live unboxing right now. I don't know what's in this box. I'm hoping it's...
It has to be a Flint.
Look
how big the box is.
I'm hoping it's my Flint. I don't know. Where's it from? It doesn't even say where it's from. So we're gonna check it out. You guys are gonna see this live right now. I'm not gonna get my hopes up. I told you what they were. They're my 5.5s.
Oh, no way.
I told you. That's why I said don't say nothing.
Wait, what's the wait, that's not a 5.5.
Maybe the yours too.
Are those mine?
Yep, size 9.
Ah, I swear to God it said delivered, bro.
There you go, baby.
No way.
You got the mids in. Hey, at least you could flip these, bro. Like soft. At least you could flip them, bro.
Yeah, but I wanted you to get your shoes, bro.
It happens, bro. Happens. They're gonna come. But look at these. I can rock these with. If I was a size 9, I would rock these.
What do you mean? You have a size 10.
I do have a size. I know, but they're dead stock. I can't. If I was a size 9, I'd rock these right now, just for the hell of it, just for the fit.
Guys, man, these are the Flints.
Those are crazy though. Okay, so I'm super excited to get mine, but I'm happy you got your 9. At least you got your.
You're being way too humble, man. I honestly thought that this was your pair.
I knew they weren't. That's why I was like.
The box is so big.
The box is big because this is all they have right now in their warehouse, bro. Think about how many shoes Foot Locker's been putting out for the past couple months, bro. But these are super clean.
I'll be back. Hold on, just keep this rolling, niggas. Hold on now.
For sure.
Can you hold this for a second?
This guy. This guy just came and gave me my Flints. Are you
CJ,
serious right now?
CJ, you know what's the craziest thing?
What?
You just got pranked, bro. You know why? Because you didn't answer your damn phone, so that's what you get.
Oh my god. I was in the middle of recording, dude. I was in the middle of recording, like.
Wait, let's see if you get pranked again.
Oh my god, I know. Alright, so as you can see here, it says we got the silver OG Jordan box. Size 10 Jordan 13s are, oh man, these are super clean. You have to understand, I've watched a lot of reviews on this shoe itself. This is actually my first time having a 13. I love the silhouette. I love the Panther inspired soles on these. I love the 3M here, like everything about the shoe, the small details, and the fact that it's 3M actually all along the mesh part of it here is absolutely gorgeous. Having them in hand is way better than seeing it on video. For sure, 100%. And thanks for fucking getting at me because I didn't answer my phone, bro. Are you serious? Bro, I'm telling you, I was literally in the middle of recording for the July video, and
Nice.
I'm like, yo, who keeps calling me right now?
How do you feel about doing a double on foot?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Turn left. Go straight. Go right. Go back. Up, right. Up left. Turn back. Walk past. So I feel like you come before that.
I know, really. Up left, walk straight over.